So here's the second big idea in risk analysis. It's really important to express your measurement as a range of possible values. So last week I did an informal survey asking folks, how are you measuring risk? Um, are you using a range? Are you using high, medium, low, red, yellow, green, a specific dollar amount? And about half were using a dollar amount and half were using categories: high, medium, low, red, yellow, green. We talked last time about defining measurement as reduction in uncertainty, so getting rid of the impossible values. When you're trying to analyze a big, complicated scenario with many different assumptions and variables, it's just impossible to get your head around it. It's impossible to make meaningful estimates. So, as humans, what we do is we divide those big scenarios up into smaller ones and smaller ones still until we have something small enough that we can get our head around it, that we can make some expert judgment about it that we feel pretty good about. So if we express our estimate, our measurement as a range, the minimum amount as this number and the maximum amount as another number, expressing a range that way gives you something really important. It means that you can combine multiple estimates in a mathematically valid way. You can add them up. When you have a high, medium, or low estimate, or a single point value or a single dollar amount, those don't encode the uncertainty of your measurement, so you can't add them together in any meaningful way. If you've guessed, that the amount of loss is going to be around $100, there's uncertainty in there, but you haven't encoded that uncertainty into that point value, $100. If you have two red risks and a yellow risk, there's uncertainty there. There's a range, but it's not encoded in red or yellow. You can't add red plus yellow. So that's big idea number two. You need to express your measurements as a range, and a range, more importantly, over a period of time. So for example, over the next year, I estimate we will have at least one laptop lost or stolen, and at most 5 laptops lost or stolen. So express your estimates as a range. We'll go into next time what it looks like to combine those ranges, how to add them up in a good way.